Howdy, and welcome to Alien Vendetta Map 10, Toxic Touch. We are pistol starting on Ultra Violent, and we have about 360 monsters to deal with, and 2 secrets to find, one of which is right here in the starting area. Just lower that, tag the secret, grab the chainsaw and the backpack, and then get the heck out of there. Took out one of those shotgunners. Nice. Alright, now we're going to drop down and then line up the perfect shot. Never mind. Didn't work. Good lord, he tanked that. Well, he shrugged off that shotgun shot. Alright. So we've dealt with all the enemies. We only took 20 damage. That's not too bad. So we're going to head into here. The chain gun is booby-trapped, so careful of that. Let those two fight each other. And then we can move on. Take out some imps up here. Is that all of you? One more? Nope, that's all. And then we're going to take out some zombie men. Collect the ammo. Try to get these guys to shoot each other. Yes. Murder each other, please. Oh. Oh my good lord, he can still see me right there. Alright. Okay, that should be all of them. So I'm going to collect their ammo and press this switch. That torch can actually burn you, and you will take damage, so be mindful of that. Now we're going to come back down and unload on that guy. Oh my god! Okay. That scared me. Is that it? There we go. Yeah, there's a secret wall back there that enemies are going to teleport into the bridge room, but you can shoot them if you know that they're there. You shoot them beforehand as the bridge is raising up. Want that ammo? Alright, now collect this stuff, and then we'll have a Hell Knight to deal with. I'm gonna shotgun to death. There we go. Not too bad. Then I'm gonna take care of 4 imps. Then I'm gonna turn around and shoot through this crack. There we go. And now I'm gonna sprint through this hallway, deal with 1 imp, super shotgun, and the key. And then grab the berserk. And now we can punch out all of the stuff in here. Make sure I'm not going to get cornered. Alright, I think that's all of them. And then we just have to deal with that last one. And before we leave, we are going to go behind these grates. Not a secret, by the way. This is just, I don't know. It's a secret that's not a secret. I go back through that way because this way is a lot longer with more turns and you lose more health. And I think maybe this is the way I want to go. Yeah, it is. Okay, we didn't lose too much health. Now let's get the heck out of there. And I'm gonna keep the chain gun out. I realized there was one of them left. And we're gonna want to sprint to the end of this hallway and turn around immediately. Because there is a giant cluster of enemies. Whoa. Got stuck there for a moment. let's get rid of the zombie men on this side. Ignore the other ones for now. And then I'm gonna press the switch. So very bad time for lag. Press the switch, deal with the Archvile. He's actually very easy if you handle him like that. You just gotta stay calm, stay right in his face. You can deal with him pretty easy. I'm getting lag for sure. I feel like there's something going on in the background. Somebody's blowing me up, probably. Alright, now we're gonna punch out a couple pinkies. A couple of them pink boys. And then we're gonna deal with some imps. Man, they are tanking shotgun shots right now. And then I'm just gonna aggro everything. I want those mancubi to shoot over here. There we go. Alright. No. Okay. Man, they are very trigger happy the moment I show my face. Alright. Gonna get the rocket launcher. I want you dead immediately. Soften them up a bit. You've got to be close. Maybe not. Just took like 6 shotgun shots. Die! Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. Die and stay dead. Alright. This is my least favorite room in this entire map. I hate it. I hate mancubi. They're the biggest pain to dodge when there's 4 of them stacked up like that. It's just not fun. Alright. Let's... I'll save that stim pack. I'll just take that, and there we go. We are also coming up, well, kind of, on the only armor in this map. Really? Die. Alright. Cool. Now, I save chain gun ammo for this spot specifically. Because, boy howdy, are there a ton of shotgunners, chain gunners, and zombie men. Just gonna clear out a couple of them. Oh my good lord. Took nearly 50 damage there. Good lord, man. Alright, I'm just opening up. There we go. Get rid of them. Okay, and we got that medikit, so we're up to 47. Not great, but... Alright, this part. Yeah, you want to get right... What?! Oh, thanks. Thank you for taking the already, like, minimum health. Oh, come on. Alright. That went not great. Not gonna dwell on it. Oh, come on. Just gonna move on. Wow, I cannot catch a break. Alright, Mr. Vile. Please treat me right. Thank you. Alright. Grab that health. We should be okay now. And then we will exit from over here. 2 for 1. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna grab the plasma and then immediately get out of there. And then I'm just gonna punch these out to save ammo. I could just super shock on them, but they're kind of the least threatening enemy. Turbo pinkies are a different story. Fast monster pinkies are definitely quite a bit more threatening than that. Oh, this part. Okay. Tons of stuff to deal with there. Oh, still more. Okay. Alright. Well, we made it. Full health. And then we'll get rid of another chain gunner who will try to sneak up on you. He's over there hiding in the dark. It's actually really... If you don't know he's there, he can be a pain. Because you think you've dealt with everything, and then one chain gunner from across the room starts coming at you. And he can do a large chunk of your health very quickly. Okay. Now there should be an imp somewhere. Oh, there we go. Chain gun, yeah. Oh, wow. I've never seen one of them actually make it all the way down the stairs like that. Impressive. He was a little bit smarter than the other shotgunners. Oh, and right here is where we'll get our only armor. There's a little spot on the wall, as you can see, that's a little different. You can actually just, well, you know, if you're a bit more coordinated, you can just jump right through and get the green armor, which is like a godsend at this point. Well, let's deal with some imps. Some impy boys. Here in the dark. Man, there are a lot of you. Alright, I don't want to use all of my... And then... maybe the most awkward Revenant fight of all time. Yeah... No. Okay. Where are you? Ah! I forgot about you. How are you not dead? How? Okay, he died. Thank God. Last one? Ah! That actually got me. Wow. Okay. Back to almost full health. Let's... There we go. Wait. Where are you? Should be low, right? Oh my God. Man, that was the sturdiest cacodemon of all time. Alright, let's go. Get some much-needed shotgun ammo. And then we'll get rid of all of that stuff. And we'll use the chainsaw here, why not? We'll tag our second and final secret, which is in this room. It's actually a really cool-looking room. where the light pulsates. So there's 2 of 2 secrets, and we are almost through the enemy count, mostly. We do have probably the hardest part of the map still coming up. Whoa. I'm not too worried on it, though. Okay, no. Super shoddy. That's all of them. Alright, let's get all that ammo. Why did you not light up? That was very strange. Did you see that? It's like I hit the switch, but the switch didn't do anything. Huh. Interesting. Alright, I need to be a little more careful. I was kind of being careless there. Oh! Ah! I forgot there was that many of them. Alright, now one more rocket. Over there. That was kind of a waste. Oh well. It at least got rid of one and damaged the others. I think we're good. No, we're not. Please, just die. Okay. And I think that's all the shotgun ammo. Get rid of the imps on both sides. Collect both rockets. That's gonna be pinkies. Alright, now... we'll spring a trap. And another. There we go. Now we have one more trap to spring. Not gonna take a chance, I'm just gonna wipe them out with a rocket, clean up the rest. Okay, now... gonna arch file and... Spider Mastermind. Please, please, oh thank God. Okay, that could have been bad. Is this our last kill? It is indeed. Alright. Now we've just got to deal with Big Mama Spider. Like so. And there we go. One-shotter. And that is the map. There's also little teleports out here. Guess in case you try to venture over to the waterfalls. But yeah, there's all secrets, all kills. And now we can exit. Nice. All kills, items, and secrets. And our time. $18.44. Good lord. That is, that took a minute. Yeah, that is a lot of enemies to kill. And it's a fairly big map, I guess. I kind of like that map, though. With the name being Toxic Touch and it being kind of like, I don't know, a sewer level, sort of. I thought that I would not like it, but it's actually pretty fun. I like some of the combat in it, and I also have noted that the arch file screen that you're seeing right now in the background, that screen comes up at the end of every level, and it is a still from this map, and that is a rather cool looking room, I would say. So yeah, this was a pretty neat map. Definitely, it's still ramping things up. This might be the most enemies that I've dealt with in a single map so far in Alien Vendetta. but I don't think it's the hardest one. But yeah, still, very solid map. Love the design. The architecture. Looked really good for coming out in 2001. This map was definitely a landmark map that should be experienced by pretty much everyone that plays Doom. If you play Doom 1 and 2 and you are into that, Alien Vendetta is one that you should give it a spin at least once. It's a must-play, I would say. And up next is Map 11, Nemesis.